Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene and today I'm going to be reviewing these lashes right here, but let's go and get right into this. So they are by this brand right there, and I will be linking them down in the description box below. This is how they come packaged. At first, I thought they sent me the wrong set because usually ones that are packaged like this only come with a set down here. They actually put another set on the top part, like the part that has the label. So that was a bit confusing, but these are what they look like. I'll be showing you how to apply them and everything. They are absolutely stunning. So if you want to see how I install these, just keep watching. So this is what the lashes look like. They're by this brand right here, and this is how they come packaged. So it does come with 11 to 16. So this is 11 to 13 up here, and this is 8 to 16 down here, depending on what set you want to use. I'm thinking I'm probably going to go with these ones right here because these are like usually my go-to. So I usually do 2 of each, but we'll see how many we can actually fit on my eyes today. So all you'll need is a little mirror to actually apply them, some tweezers. You can get the tweezers anywhere. A lot of times I just buy the kits that have lashes, and then it usually comes with tweezers and glue. I like the lilac glue. They also have one on Amazon that's called Clayless. It works really great as well. These just get really tacky really fast, so it's a lot faster application, and it lasts about 2 weeks is usually what I can get my lashes to last. But let's go ahead and get to applying. I'm going to scoot you guys closer so you can see what I'm doing. So I like to try to keep the glue towards the base, not putting too much on. Just enough for it to stick. There's like a clump right there. I don't want to get on my lash. So just like that. So I'm going to start out with the 16. And to grab these out, you just grab from on top and then you pull down. And they usually come out with no issues. So the first one's usually the easiest to apply because it's got the most glue. It's going to get glue everywhere. So you don't have to put glue on this, and you're just going to glue them from underneath. Go right underneath the lash, push up, make sure there's no glue sticking. I try to make sure that it's like that. You can see it's not like directly on the skin, just like that. The next one, I'm doing another 16. I'm going to grab it. And you want to grab it to where it's going to be easiest to apply. So I'm going to grab it this way because it's going to be easier to apply like this. And then with the second lash, I like to go in with glue. And I'm going to put a little bit on the top of it because we're gluing it from underneath. So you're going to hold it like this and put some glue up here. Just like that. And then wait till it gets a little tacky. But it should stick because the glue that's already on my lashes. And I'm just going to slightly overlap it. Just like that. Okay, so I did 2 16. Now I'm going to do 2 14s. Again, put the glue up here. Let it get a little tacky. And then we're just going to glue it. Then we're going to put some glue. So just like that. And then I'm going to go in with 12s. And you can do just one of each. You can do all the same length. It really doesn't matter. It's kind of whatever your preference is. I like this because it kind of gives like a cat eye. So it's going to be longer and then go shorter. But I've done it so many different ways. It just depends on your preference and how long you want them. If you don't want them this long on the outside, you can go shorter. Just up to you. So I did 112. I'm going to go ahead and just do 110 so that it's kind of a little even shorter right there. It's not going to be a big difference, but it's going to be a little bit of a difference. So you're going to just place it like that. And you can see the difference. So this is before and this is after. And then I like to grab the tweezers and you're going to go behind and you're going to press them onto your natural lashes. And this is going to get a really long wear because you're kind of infusing the glue, the false lashes in your lashes all together by doing this. And then to take it out, you just need an oil-based lash remover. If you don't have lash remover, you can always do like coconut oil, olive oil, something like that. And that's how easy these lashes are to apply. You can see this is before, that is after. There is like just such a huge difference. I love these. Like, and then this is like from the side, you can see. Let me go ahead and apply this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like once it's completed. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.